The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Chincoteague to Paramore Island, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Chincoteague to Paramore Island, Virginia, 20 to 40 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Paramore Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Paramore Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia, 20 to 40 nautical miles until 11:15 a.m. At 10:17 a.m., strong thunderstorm was located near Paramore Island, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include parking lot, Watchapre Reef and Paramore Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Here it is, everybody, weekly test. There it is.
Partly cloudy.
Here we go. Emergency alert system, everybody. I'm gonna cover my ears.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Entrance to the Chesapeake Bay, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. James River from the James River Bridge to the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel until 8:30 p.m. At 7:35 p.m.,
you should actually be able
strong
to hear
thunderstorm
the
was
thunder
located
right
near
now.
Bocosin, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard,
I'm gonna
wind
go
gusts
look out my
to 40
window
knots.
see where it is.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, First Island Bay Bridge, Thimble Shoals, Bocosin, Dominion Pier, Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, Lynnhaven, Hampton River Inlet, Hampton Flats, Bluefish Rock, Fisherman's Island,
Yeah, let's get out of my
Merrimack
window.
Bridge Tunnel, Willoughby Bay, Sewell's Point, Little Creek and Fourth Island Bay Bridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Surprised I didn't get that.
Winds 5 to 10 knots.
Ooh, emergency alert system. Probably not gonna activate my weather radio. Yeah, I called it.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for
Another one?
Chesapeake
Has
Bay
that
from
one
New Point
already
Comfort to
expired?
Little Creek, Virginia. Entrance to the Chesapeake Bay, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. Coastal waters from Paramore Island to the Virginia/North Carolina border, out 20 nautical miles until 8:45. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to Little Creek, Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. Saturday and near the east coast of the Florida Peninsula, Saturday afternoon through Sunday. Data from the reconnaissance aircraft indicate the maximum sustained winds are near 75 miles per hour with higher gusts. Strengthening is expected later today and tonight, and EAS is forecast to remain a hurricane for the next few days. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 35 miles per knot.
Oh, okay, here we go. Special marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning
Ha!
for
Called
coastal
it!
waters from Cape Charles Light to the Virginia/North Carolina border, out 20 nautical miles Caribbean Sound until 6:30 p.m.
Phone turns back off for the night, but I was just watching some TV, and while I was watching TV, we got a tornado watch here. So yeah, I'll edit this in the morning. Okay, tornado warning right here.
Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes,
Yep.
businesses, and vehicles
Tornado
is likely
warning.
and complete. Sunday night, East.
weekly test.
Hazards weather radio alarm system. NOAA National Weather Service normally conducts this test on the first Wednesday of the month between 6 p.m. and 6:30 p.m.
Ridiculous.
If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed.
Okay, everybody, here we go. Weekly test with Tehran's, with the Super Tehran show. Here we go. Weekly test. Okay. Much better. Alright, everybody, we are doing a weekly test joined by Tyler's video in the games. Hopefully this doesn't go off. There you are.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
That's a flash flood warning.
Deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 a.m. for the following county: Isle of Wight, Virginia.
Yeah. Look at this, our second watch.
Hanford County in northeastern North Carolina, south central Southampton County in southeastern Virginia until 7:15 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., the public reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Ooh, the public.
3.5 and 7 inches of rain has
I've
fallen.
never heard that before.
Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, public. Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lakins, Dusers, Como, and Shiloh. Additional rainfall amounts up to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
Whoa.
A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately.
Holy crap.
Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
I live on a hill, so I'm fine.
A flash flood warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: Southampton, Virginia, and Hartford, North Carolina.
And that's the Recon Weekly Test.
This has been a test of the NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Alarm System.
And that is what a weekly test
Normally
is.
conducts this test every Wednesday between 11:30 a.m. and noon.
Yes, it did. This one went off. We got our first alert on this. Oh, jeez. Is this the weekly test? Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, shoot. This one's going off, too. Oh, shoot. Oh, we got a flash flood watch. I'm going to activate it. There it goes. Finally, we got something. Compilation. But as you can see, my recon strobe is flashing and we got another alert. Believe it or not, it was